In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly remove your unused rows and columns right here in Google Sheets. So in my example right here, what I want to happen is to have the end of my spreadsheet at the end of my data right here. So basically, I don't want to see these empty columns and empty rows. This is the only data that I want to see. So how am I going to do that? How do we remove our unused rows and columns within our spreadsheet? Well, let's start with our rows. At the end of your data, so that's going to be starting from row 22, I'm going to click on the row. Make sure to click on the row and not the cell right here. I'm going to click on row 22 right here. Then I'm going to my keyboard and press Control or Command, then Shift and the arrow down. There you have it. What I just did is to select all of the rows that are empty from row 22 to row 1000 right here. And the next step would be to just right click again on the left side where your rows are and select delete rows 22 to 1000. If we select that and click that, there you have it. That's the end of our spreadsheet right there. Now let's do our columns. So again, like what we did with our rows, we're going to select our columns at the top right here. There you go. So I've selected my column E, which is the end of my data right there. Then we're going to go back to our keyboard and press Control or Command, Shift, and this time your right arrow key. There you have it. So with those keyboard shortcuts, we were able to select all of our columns from the end of our data. And we are going to right click. Again, make sure you're clicking on your columns at the top, right click and select Delete Columns E to Z. Click on that. And there we have it. We've completely deleted all of those unused rows and columns with those keyboard shortcuts that allows us to select all of our rows and columns, then delete them all at the same time. And that's your quick hack on how you can remove your unused rows and columns with the help of keyboard shortcuts right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.